I would say, milestone in the history of Pune University. I am really glad that you are patient to hear me, because this is something requires patience, and I have no options but to uh, prepare some notes on international development of the human rights in India, how the Supreme Court and courts are giving meaningful interpretation to those rights, and the area where the students will have to concentrate in future. Apart from this, when I visited today law department, I have given some these news items which appeared from 20th January onwards in the Indian Express. One of the news says the Supreme Court directed the Supreme Court in one case says bring NREG's minimum wages on par with states. There is Minimum Wages Act, so that laborers who are working on the field, you have to pay minimum wages to them. If certain establishments are not paying the minimum wages, in that case, the such directions in future will help, so that the laborers who are working on the construction or anywhere, at least they will be entitled for minimum wages. Now there is disturbing news from Israel. January 24th, this news is in Indian Express, which says cops free woman held in room for 9 years in Palestine. Her father confined the girl for 9 years. So human rights violation can be by anybody, including father. So for 9 years that girl was confined, and when she was asked what punishment should be given to the father, she says that confine him for 11 years without food. So these are the disturbing news which every day we find in the newspapers. Another news is there on 25th of January, where it says in under trial denied medical aid till court stepped in. So there are another news is also there, running from youth teasers, 2 girls crushed under truck. So all this area you will have to concentrate,